Seniors, add this to your breakfast to see clearly again. Senior health tips. After 60, many seniors notice their vision isn't what it used to be. Street signs look blurry, reading glasses become a constant companion, and nighttime driving feels risky. But here's the shocking part. A recent Harvard study found that one simple breakfast ingredient could significantly improve eye health in just a few weeks. It's not an expensive supplement, it's not a prescription drug, and it's something you can easily find at your local grocery store. Most people overlook it because they don't realize the powerful compounds it contains. Compounds proven to protect the retina, increase blood flow to the eyes, and even help regenerate damaged eye tissue. And the best part? It works while you go about your normal day. In this video, we're breaking down exactly what this ingredient is, the science behind why it works, how much you need, and the most effective way to add it to your breakfast so you can start seeing results fast. By the end, you'll know how to give your eyes the nutrients they've been craving and potentially turn back the clock on years of vision decline. 1. Blueberries, the antioxidant powerhouse for senior eyes. For seniors over 60, blueberries aren't just a tasty addition to your breakfast, they're one of the most powerful natural protectors for your vision. Packed with the deep blue pigments that give them their color, blueberries help strengthen the tiny capillaries in the retina, improve blood circulation to the eyes, and reduce oxidative stress, a major cause of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and cataracts. In fact, a 2020 study published in Nutrients found that daily consumption of anthocyanin-rich berries improved retinal function and night vision in adults over 55. This isn't just theory. The antioxidants in blueberries actively fight free radicals that damage photoreceptor cells in the eyes, helping to preserve sharpness and contrast sensitivity. I once spoke to a retired teacher, 68 years old, who told me she struggled with reading road signs and recognizing faces from a distance. Her optometrist recommended she increase her intake of antioxidant-rich foods. She started adding a cup of blueberries to her morning oatmeal, and within 3 months, her contrast sensitivity improved noticeably, making daily tasks like driving much easier. Beyond vision benefits, blueberries also support brain health, which is critical since cognitive decline and vision problems often go hand in hand as we age. The best part, blueberries are easy to incorporate into your breakfast. Sprinkle them over yogurt, blend them into a smoothie, or mix into whole grain cereal. Better tip, choose wild blueberries whenever possible. They contain up to twice the antioxidant content of regular blueberries. If fresh berries are too expensive or out of season, frozen wild blueberries retain nearly all their nutritional value and can be stored for months without losing their potency. 2. Spinach, the leafy green shield for your retina. Spinach might look like a humble salad green, but for seniors over 60, it's one of the most important defenses you can give your eyes every single day. What makes spinach so special is its high concentration of lutein and zeaxanthin to carotenoids that act like natural sunglasses for your eyes. These compounds accumulate in the macula, the central part of the retina responsible for sharp, detailed vision, and filter out harmful, high-energy, blue light from screens, sunlight, and artificial lighting. A landmark study in JAMA Ophthalmology found that people who consumed the highest amounts of lutein and zeaxanthin had a 43% lower risk of developing age-related macular degeneration compared to those who ate the least. For seniors who spend time reading, watching TV, or using smartphones, that protection is invaluable. These antioxidants also help neutralize free radicals that damage the delicate photoreceptor cells, slowing down both macular degeneration and the formation of cataracts. One 72-year-old man I interviewed said his vision had been steadily declining. For years, especially his ability to read small print in the morning, his daughter, a dietitian, suggested adding spinach to his breakfast, not as a raw salad, but lightly sautéed with olive oil and a pinch of garlic, then served alongside his eggs. Within months, his eye checkups showed less strain, and he reported that his morning blur was gone. What's fascinating is that spinach's lutein and zeaxanthin are fat-soluble, meaning they're absorbed better when eaten with healthy fats, which is why pairing spinach with olive oil, avocado, or a handful of nuts can make the benefits even more powerful. And spinach's benefits go beyond the eyes. It's also loaded with vitamin K for bone health. folate for brain function, and nitrates that improve blood circulation, which is crucial for delivering oxygen and nutrients to your eyes. That's why many ophthalmologists now recommend seniors include leafy greens like spinach at least 4 or 5 times a week. If fresh spinach isn't available, frozen spinach is an excellent option. It's harvested at peak ripeness and retains nearly all its lutein and zeaxanthin content. Better tip: lightly steam or saute spinach instead of boiling it. Boiling can cause a significant loss of lutein. Pair it with a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil or a sprinkle of crushed walnuts to boost absorption and protect your vision more effectively. 3. Eggs, the morning nutrient package your eyes have been waiting for. For seniors over 60, eggs are far more than a source of protein. They're one of the most concentrated, bioavailable sources of nutrients specifically designed to protect your eyes. While spinach and blueberries deliver lutein, zeaxanthin, and anthocyanins, eggs take it to the next level by providing these same carotenoids in a form your body absorbs more efficiently than from almost any plant source. That's because the yolk's natural fat content acts as a carrier, allowing lutein and zeaxanthin to be absorbed directly into your bloodstream and delivered straight to the macula. Studies from the University of Massachusetts have shown that seniors who ate just 1 egg per day for 5 weeks experienced a measurable increase in their macular pigment optical density, essentially thickening the protective layer of pigments in their eyes that filter out damaging light and reduce glare. Eggs are also a rich source of vitamin A in the form of retinol, which is critical for maintaining the cornea and preventing night blindness. Unlike plant-based beta-carotene, which must be converted by the body, retinol is ready for immediate use, making it essential for seniors whose conversion efficiency often declines with age. Add to that the presence of choline, a nutrient that supports nerve signaling between the eyes and the brain, and you have a food that works on multiple levels to protect vision. I remember speaking with an 81-year-old retired photographer who swore that eggs were his secret lens cleaner. Every morning, he'd scramble to pasture-raised eggs with a handful of spinach and serve them alongside a small bowl of blueberries. He told me this wasn't just breakfast, it was his ritual for keeping the world in focus. After decades of staring into bright studio lights, he had no significant cataracts and maintained excellent night vision, something his ophthalmologist found remarkable. But the synergy is what really matters here. When you combine the anthocyanins from blueberries, which improve blood flow to the retina, with the lutein and zeaxanthin from spinach, which shield the macula, and then add eggs, which make those carotenoids highly bioavailable while delivering retinol and choline, you create a triple defense system for your eyes. It's like giving your vision a morning shield, a repair crew, and a clean power line all at once. Better tip: opt for pasture-raised or omega-3 enriched eggs. Not only do they contain higher levels of lutein and vitamin A, but the omega-3 fatty acids also help prevent dry eyes, a common issue for seniors. Light cooking methods like poaching or soft boiling preserve more of these delicate nutrients than high-heat frying. 4. Walnuts, the eye's best friend for long-lasting protection. Walnuts might seem like just another snack, but for seniors over 60, they are one of the most important silent workers in keeping your eyes healthy for years to come. What makes walnuts so valuable for vision is their exceptionally high content of plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. While fatty fish provide EPA and DHA directly, walnuts give your body the building blocks it needs to produce these long-chain omega-3 cells, crucial for reducing inflammation in the tiny blood vessels that feed the retina. Inflammation is a hidden culprit in many age-related eye diseases, from macular degeneration to diabetic retinopathy, and omega-3 cells act as a powerful brake on that process. A 2018 study in investigative ophthalmology and visual science found that people with higher omega-3 intake had a significantly lower risk of developing dry eye syndrome, a condition that can cause chronic discomfort, blurred vision, and even damage to the cornea over time. For seniors, preventing dry eyes isn't just about comfort, it's about protecting the tear film that nourishes and cleans the surface of the eye every time you blink. And walnuts bring another gift: vitamin E, a fat-soluble antioxidant that protects the delicate cell membranes in your eyes from oxidative damage. combined with the anthocyanins in blueberries, the lutein and zeaxanthin in spinach, and the vitamin A in eggs, vitamin E acts like a preservation shield, helping these other nutrients work longer and more effectively inside your body. I spoke to a 67-year-old woman who had been struggling with computer-related eye strain and occasional blurry vision. Her optometrist recommended not only more leafy greens and berries, but also adding a small handful of walnuts to her breakfast. She started blending them into her morning smoothie with blueberries, or sprinkling chopped walnuts over scrambled eggs with spinach. Within 2 months, she reported less eye dryness, more stable focus throughout the day, and even fewer tension headaches. The beauty of walnuts in this breakfast vision plan is that they tie everything together. The healthy fats in walnuts improve. The absorption of lutein and zeaxanthin from spinach help transport vitamin A from eggs and protect the anthocyanins from blueberries from oxidizing too quickly in your system. They don't just join the team, they make the team stronger. Better tip: eat 6 to 8 walnut halves daily for optimal benefit. Store them in an airtight container in the fridge or freezer to prevent the delicate fats from going rancid. For extra absorption, lightly crush them before adding to yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies. This helps your body access more of the nutrients. 5. Carrots, the classic eye food that still holds the crown. Carrots have been linked to good eyesight for generations, but for seniors over 60, the real story is even more powerful than the old sayings suggest. They're one of the richest natural sources of beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, the nutrient essential for maintaining the health of the cornea, the clear outer layer of the eye, and for producing rhodopsin, a protein in the retina that allows you to see in low light conditions. Without enough vitamin A, seniors are at greater risk for night blindness, slower adaptation to darkness, and even corneal ulcers over time. But here's the key: beta-carotene is fat-soluble, meaning that without the presence of healthy fats, much of its potential goes to waste. This is why carrots on their own are helpful. But carrots combined with walnuts, eggs, or olive oil become exponentially more effective. Scientific research backs this up. A 2019 review in Nutrients highlighted how combining beta vegetables with dietary fats significantly increased vitamin A levels in the blood, improving visual performance in low-light environments. For seniors, this can mean the difference between confidently walking into a dimly lit room and struggling to adjust. I remember meeting a 70-year-old retired bus driver who said he avoided driving at night for nearly 5 years because streetlights looked hazy and oncoming headlights created dangerous glare. His eye doctor discovered his vitamin A levels were borderline low. Instead of jumping straight to supplements, they redesigned his breakfast: scrambled eggs with spinach and walnuts on the side, plus a small serving of shredded carrots drizzled with a teaspoon of flaxseed oil. Within 3 months, he noticed not only less glare, but also faster adaptation when moving from bright daylight to shaded areas, a huge improvement for his safety and independence. Carrots also bring another layer of protection through antioxidants, like lutein in smaller amounts and polyurethanes, which have anti-inflammatory properties that protect the optic nerve. Combined with the anthocyanins from blueberries, improving blood flow, lutein and zeaxanthin from spinach filtering harmful light, bioavailable retinol from eggs repairing retinal cells, and omega-3 south from walnuts reducing inflammation. Carrots act like a steady maintenance crew, making sure all these other nutrients have the conditions they need to work at full power. Better tip: eat carrots grated or lightly steamed in the morning for better nutrient release, and always pair them with a source of healthy fat like walnuts, avocado, or egg yolk. If you want a quick vision-boosting breakfast drink, blend carrots with blueberries, spinach, and a handful of walnuts. This combination hits every major nutrient your eyes need to stay sharp. 6. Bell peppers, the colorful armor against cataracts and vision decline. Bell peppers might be one of the most underestimated vegetables when it comes to eye health, yet for seniors over 60, they are a critical piece of the puzzle. What sets bell peppers apart is their exceptional vitamin C content. In fact, red bell peppers contain more vitamin C per gram than oranges, strawberries, or kiwis. This matters because vitamin C is one of the most important antioxidants for preventing oxidative stress in the lens of the eye, the clear structure responsible for focusing light onto the retina. Over time, oxidative stress can cause proteins in the lens to clump together, forming cataracts that cloud vision. A large-scale study published in Ophthalmology in 2016 found that individuals with higher vitamin C intake had a 33% lower risk of developing cataracts, and their lenses aged more slowly compared to those with lower vitamin C levels. But the benefits of bell peppers don't stop there. They also provide a healthy dose of lutein and zeaxanthin, the same protective carotenoids found in spinach, and beta-carotene, the vitamin A precursor found in carrots. This makes them a rare crossover vegetable that hits multiple targets for vision protection in a single serving. Their bright red, orange, and yellow pigments are also signs of their phytonutrient diversity, which helps combat inflammation throughout the body, including in the tiny capillaries that feed the retina and optic nerve. I recall speaking with a 66-year-old woman who had undergone early cataract surgery in one eye, but was determined to protect the other. Her ophthalmologist emphasized the importance of antioxidants, particularly vitamin C, in slowing cataract progression. She began slicing raw red bell peppers into strips and eating them alongside her breakfast eggs, spinach, and walnuts. Over time, not only did her remaining eye stay clear, but she also noticed less eye fatigue after reading for long periods. Her doctor later commented that her lens clarity was exceptionally well preserved for her age. The real magic of bell peppers in this morning vision plan is how they amplify the effects of the other foods. The vitamin C from peppers helps regenerate vitamin E from walnuts, extending its protective effects in the eye's delicate tissues. Their lutein and beta-carotene work in tandem with spinach and carrots to strengthen the macula and maintain night vision. And when eaten fresh, their crunchy texture and natural sweetness make them an easy, low-calorie way to load your plate with vision-protecting nutrients without adding excess sugar or starch. For seniors concerned about blood sugar, bell peppers are a safe choice. Their glycemic index is very low, meaning they won't cause the spikes that can damage blood vessels in the eyes over time, especially for those with diabetes or prediabetes. Even better, their high water content helps keep you hydrated, which supports tear film production and prevents dry eyes. Better tip, choose red or orange bell peppers for the highest vitamin C and carotenoid content. Eat them raw whenever possible to preserve vitamin C, which is sensitive to heat. If you prefer them cooked, lightly saute or roast at low temperatures. To retain most of their antioxidants, pair them with walnuts or a drizzle of olive oil to boost carotenoid absorption. When you put it all together, these 6 foods, blueberries, spinach, eggs, walnuts, carrots, and bell peppers, aren't just a breakfast menu. They're a complete morning vision care system designed for seniors over 60 who want to protect, restore, and preserve their eyesight for years to come. Blueberries boost circulation to the retina and fight oxidative stress. Spinach shields your macula from harmful light and filters out the damage. Eggs make those protective pigments highly absorbable and add pure vitamin A to repair your eyes at the cellular level. Walnuts keep inflammation low, tears flowing, and cell membranes strong. Carrots fortify night vision and maintain corneal health. And bell peppers act as a shield against cataracts, while regenerating the antioxidants that keep your vision crystal clear. You don't need expensive supplements or complicated treatments, just a plate filled with the right combinations. Imagine starting your day with a spinach and egg scramble, a handful of fresh blueberries on the side, a few walnut halves for crunch, shredded carrots drizzled with olive oil, and a few slices of crisp red bell pepper. That's not just breakfast, that's daily armor for your eyes. The truth is, vision decline isn't inevitable. Yes, our eyes age just like the rest of us, but with the right nutrients in the right combinations, you can slow the process, protect your sight, and in some cases even regain clarity you thought was gone forever. Your eyesight is your connection to the world, to the faces you love, the books you read, the roads you travel. Don't wait until it's too late to give your eyes what they need.